Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing quite well today. I am blessed, and I hope everyone is blessed also. And I'm going to read my scriptures right now for you. Okay. Okay. The eyes of the Lord are over the righteous. His ears are open unto their prayers. 1 Peter 3:12. Okay. There have not failed one word of all his great promises. Thou has not failed one word of all of his great promises. 1 Kings 8:56. And I hope this will help someone today in the reading of my scriptures that may need a word from God. So thank you. Now, I'm getting ready now to do tea cakes. And I'm going to be doing a peach tea cake.
Peach cobbler. She's doing peach cobbler tea cakes.
A peach cobbler tea cakes. Okay. I'm doing a peach cobbler tea cakes. Okay, and I have my butter. Have a cup of butter. A cup of butter right here. All right, this is 1 cup of shortening, but it's 1 cup of butter. You can use whatever you like, but I have pure butter. And this is a half cup, 1.5 cup of sugar. And I will be whooping it up. Okay. This looks like it's creamy enough now, so I'm trying to get it all off the side of the bowl so I can make sure it's out in here. And so next I'll be adding eggs. 1 egg at a time. And eggs have to be room temperature. One of my yolks have already busted, so okay, I'm adding the other egg. Okay. Now I'm going to be adding my I'm going to add the my baking powder to the flour mixture. This is 2 tablespoons of baking baking powder. Yes, I'm adding out that into there. Okay. Now this is one 16-ounce can of peaches that I'm adding out into here.
And she chopped them up real small, y'all.
Then I'll be putting in my I'm gonna be putting in my vanilla extract, and I have a tablespoon of 2 teaspoons, which is a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla extract.
I know.
Okay, 1 tablespoon. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna put that in there. So let me beat this up a little bit. Okay. I'm going to start adding a little bit of my flour. I'm going to add a little bit at a time to get it stirred up. Then I'm going to put just a little pinch of, this is a little bit of the nutmeg. That's it.
That's cinnamon. That was cinnamon. She put a little nutmeg in there for right now.
Okay. Okay. Put all of it.
Ain't too much. Yeah.
There's a whole lot more in here, though.
Yeah, y'all have to go by just a little at a time.
Okay, I'm going to begin to put a little bit of my flour in. Okay. I'll beat up a little bit of it, then I'll put the rest in. Put a little bit of my cream in.
And that's 2 tablespoons of whipping cream. Heavy cream.
Heavy cream, whatever you want to call it. Good old peach cobbler. Okay, and then I'm going to stop the rest of it in. Okay. Okay, I'll add my whipping cream. Okay, I'm going to stir that one more time from the bottom to make sure all my flour is mixed in. Look like it's pretty much mixed up pretty well. Okay, so let me get my pan with my
Okay, everyone, this would the recipe will be in the description box, and also you kind of almost have to the nutmeg and the cinnamon. You almost have to wing it. So I think we end up putting a half a teaspoon in each one of them in there.
okay.
And also, if y'all like y'all bigger, you can also use a bigger scoop.
Okay. They know where.
Oh. Okay, y'all, we're gonna be back. She's gonna put them in the oven for 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, here's the first batch that came out the oven. First batch that just came out the oven of her peach cobbler tea cakes.
Okay, this is the final presentation of my peach cobbler tea cakes. And so I left them in the oven. It's kind of hard for me to tell you because every oven is different when it comes to cooking cookies and cakes or pies, either, anything. But I left these in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. I had one of the pans was fuller than the other, so I left it a little bit longer. So you have to determine on your own how long it's going to take. But normally it takes anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. So I hope you will enjoy these because they are very good, delicious.
And she cooked them on 300, y'all. But like she says, according to your oven, you kind of have to keep an eye on them because this is the color they're supposed to look, and they're supposed to be soft. They're not supposed to be hard. They're supposed to be look like a cookie, but they're soft on the inside like a cake.
Yes. So that's the way they look.
So this is how they look on the inside, y'all. It looks soft like a cake. And that's the peaches in there. And also, oh, these things are so good. Y'all, when I say these things are good, oh my God. I almost want to go there and slap my mama for real. Oh my God. But you know, can't do that because she been knocking me on the other side of the room. But they are so good. Oh my God, these things are good.
They are delicious, you are.
I
always say everything's off the chain. These are really off the chain.
Yeah, and then also if you want more peaches in yours, just add more peaches. So she added 1 16-ounce can. But you can always do a can and a half. But y'all, these are so good. Oh my God, they're so good. Oh,
Of course, you know you have to double your batch to get more cookies, or if you want to, you know. Also, I have a medium-sized dipper.
she have a small dipper.
Yeah.
So if y'all want your tea cakes to be bigger than these, you can probably yield 2 dozen bigger cookies. But these right here Yeah, 4 dozen. It was exactly four, maybe a couple of over 4 dozen. With the small dipper that she used.
Okay. So I thank you all, and I hope you will enjoy them
Y'all, these are so
because
good. Oh
I
my
really
goodness.
have enjoyed them myself.
Oh my goodness. She used to make them all the time, but she hasn't made them a long time. Y'all, they're so good. And like I said, you can put more peaches in there if you want more peaches. Just make sure the juice is drained off of them because don't need no juice. But they are delicious, y'all. Oh my goodness. And the recipe will be in the description box.
They are delicious.
Oh my goodness.
Very, very good. So now, I hope you will enjoy them. I haven't made them in a long time. But
she haven't made the peach cobbler ones in a long time. She didn't make the other ones all the time. These are so good. Yeah, she did the chocolate ones. If you want to go back and look at the chocolates in her recipe, she did the chocolate tea cake. She did the plain old-fashioned tea cakes, and now these is the peach cobbler tea cake.
And these are good. You are, if you like peach cobbler, you will love these tea cakes. I guarantee you. And if you comes Mother's Day, somebody might want to make them for some of the members of your church for Mother's Day coming up, or either for your Easter holidays coming up also, because this is a very good dessert. And they don't have a lot of calories in them also. But anyway, you can make it out of whatever you would like to make them out of. And so I thank you all, and I hope you will enjoy them. And may God bless you to have a blessed day and a blessed week. This is Miss Lena's Kitchen, Peach Cobbler Tea Cakes. Thank you. Goodbye. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.